Yeah, seems to be a little bit light on this side. No, don't lose it. Was it the wrong way around or something? Could have been the wrong way around, I suppose. Hey all, welcome back to another video. I bought this Xbox from eBay for 25 quid. I've not seen it yet, so let's get it open. And yes, this is how it arrived. Who knows what condition it is in underneath here. So let's get it all open up and see the carnage. So here it is. The drawings and that on it. That was on the eBay listing. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, so just checking the HDMI port there. There was the listing said that there was a HDMI issue and also a PSU issue. Shouldn't have really bought it because the PSU alone, a new one of those, is about 12-13 quid. So there's not really much profit in this one. So it's not quite right, that HDMI. You can see just on that right hand side there, looks to be an issue with it. So I'm not going to plug it in. Let's see what it looks like inside. Most cleanest part on this. X clamp. Right. Let's see how much dirt and grime is in this. Right. So I'm going to give these two a clean and we'll be right back. Right. So here's some pictures of what the HDMI port looks like. Switch over to the microscope. Right, so I'm just going to get the hot air on. I'm going to get ready to take this one off. Not going to be talking while it's running as it's very noisy. It messes with the microphone. The temp's at 450 and off we go. Right, so I did heat this side up and push this forward. But unfortunately, my drive ran out of space, so it didn't get saved, which is incredibly annoying. It didn't take long, just a few seconds just to heat this side up, and it was just pushed just like that. And it just lined up all of this, and it's no longer a little bit wonky. So what I'm going to do is get this everything else all cleaned up, all back together, and then we'll test it and see if we get an image. And we'll also test the PSU as well, because as I said earlier, that's faulty apparently. Right, see you in a bit. Time to test the power supply. According to the seller, this is faulty. Okay. Can't be that bad, can that power supply? Right, turning it off. I'm going to put this all back together like this. Or just close it all up in that. Tell you what, this power supply either just goes straight in or loves to mess around like that. Put that in. Go just like that. And HDMI. Let's see if this turns on. See it, there we go. So this Xbox is up and running. Okay. Call of Duty. Well, that's how it's broke. Or was it Rocket League? Settings. Display options. And this screen only does 1080. No clue on that one. Okay though, I'm going to send it down, do a full reset. And then we'll go from there. Right, so there we have it. It's back into 1080. As you can see here, it's actually filling up the page now. I'm going to throw all of this back together, give it a full test over, install some games on it and all of that sort of stuff, put a disc in it, see how she runs. Switch over, back over to when it's all back together. Right, so there we have it. That's an Xbox all back up together, all been tested, runs all perfectly well. So this one cost me 25 quid and I expect to sell it for about 40 maybe. It's only the 500 gig. So there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. If this interests you, I'll have another video linked up on one of the corners, one of these corners here, about changing my first HDMI port, where I learned how to do it on a little test motherboard. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.